This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the system. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Once done, secure backups to cloud or a USB so you can restore saves. This prevents data loss if storage fails. Then run built-in diagnostics or a quick boot log to confirm storage errors, noting error codes and audible drive symptoms. Make sure to label screws and keep a clean workspace. This first sweep tells you whether repair is firmware, connection, or drive replacement. You now open the console and visually inspect the storage bay and connectors to determine the failure mode. While you disassemble, check for loose ribbon cables, burnt traces, or corrosion on contacts. These often cause intermittent issues. If the drive is removable, reseat it and test with an external adapter to separate drive failure from controller faults. Once you identify a suspect component, decide whether to repair, clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol, or swap in a tested replacement drive. You finish by installing the replacement drive or repaired connector, ensuring firm, correct alignment to avoid pin damage. After reassembly, restore the console firmware or system image and format storage per manufacturer steps, then reinstall the OS and your games. This rebuild restores partition tables and boot records. Once the system boots, run updates and a stress test to confirm stability and restore saves. If the console fails to boot, try safe mode recovery or swap back the original drive to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.